Hello, grade 10. This is our first lesson in TLE under the topic cookery. It is about eggs. Egg is a poultry product from domesticated female birds, such as chicken, duck, quail, and goose, intended for human consumption. There are four main parts of egg. Number 1 is the yolk, comprising 31% of the weight of an egg. And the color of the yolk will depend on the feed given to the hen. Number 2 part is the white, which is comprising of 58% of the weight of an egg. It is also called albumin. Number 3 is the shell, comprising 11% of the weight of an egg. The colors are maybe either white or brown. Number 4 is the shell membrane. It is the inner and outer shell membranes, which are tough and fibrous, composed chiefly of proteins. I hope the four main parts of the egg is clear to you. Let us have some egg abnormalities. Number 1, double yolk eggs. This happens when there is a simultaneous release of 2 yolks. Number 2, yolkless eggs. It is caused by bit of tissues sloughed off, which means dead tissues, from the ovary or oviduct of the hen. Number 3, egg within an egg. It is caused by freakish peristaltic movement of the oviduct, causing a reversal direction of the formed egg. Number 4, blood spots. It is caused by a rupture of one or more small blood vessels in the yolk. Number 5, the soft-shelled eggs or the thin-shelled eggs. This is due to prematurely laid eggs because of dietary deficiencies, diseases, or hereditary. Let us move on to the functions of eggs. Number 1, egg as binding agent. Bind means to fasten or hold together. Egg can hold together several ingredients upon cooking. Examples are burger patties, meatballs, okoy, and tortillas. Number 3, egg as thickening agent. Egg, when beaten and heated, it makes the liquid thicken and hold in suspension. Examples are in soup, custard or leche flan, and puddings. Number 3, egg as leavening agent. Eggs are used for recipe that needs incorporation of air. Examples are cakes. Number 4, food color. The egg yolk gives the yellowish color of the fresh lumpia wrapper. Number 5, egg is used for making dips and sauces like hollandaise sauce and mayonnaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce is an emulsion of egg yolk, melted butter, and lemon juice. Mayonnaise sauce is an emulsion of raw egg yolks and vegetable oils. While the egg yolk is continuously beaten, oil is added little by little until a thick cream results. Let us have the nutritive value of eggs. Egg is rich in protein, which is essential in letter A, building and repairing body tissues. Letter B, building and maintaining strong and healthy muscles. And letter C, keeping the body fluids in balance. The nutritional contents found in egg. Number 1, omega-3. It is a type of polyunsaturated or healthy fat that helps protect the heart. Number 2, choline. It is a water-soluble nutrient essential in the letter A, development of human brain. Letter B, normal functioning of the liver. Letter C, muscle movement. Letter D, nerve function. And letter E, maintenance of healthy metabolism. Number 3 is vitamins. Egg contains both the fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins, except vitamin C. It has, letter A, vitamin K, helps in blood clot. Letter B, vitamin B complex, promotes good appetite and helps the body to produce the energy that it needs to function well. And letter C, vitamin A, helps develop and maintain a normal eyesight. Number 4, minerals. That includes letter A, iodine. It is essential in the normal functioning of the thyroid glands. Letter B, phosphorus, helps in the development of strong bones. Letter C, selenium, functions as an antioxidant. An antioxidant is a substance that protects the cells against free radicals that may cause heart disease, cancer, and other diseases. Letter D, zinc, helps in the healing of wounds. And letter E, iron. It is essential in the normal circulation of the blood. Number 5 are cholesterol and lecithin. These are fat-like substances that are essential in the structure and functions of all the cells in the body. Let us move on to the ways to cook eggs. Number 1, hard-boiled egg. Cook eggs in water without removing its shell. As soon as the water boils, wait for 10 to 15 minutes in which the egg yolk and egg white turn into solid form. Place the hard-boiled egg in a bowl with iced water. Then tap and roll onto the counter to crack and to remove its shell easily. Number 2, soft-boiled egg. Just like in hard-boiled egg, but the time is lessened to 7 minutes as the water boils. Number 3, fried egg or sunny side up. Cook egg in a small amount of fat uncovered. The yolk is maintained in its bright, round shape, while the white is cooked until the edges are light brown or a little toasted. Number 4, scrambled egg. Beat the egg yolk and the egg white. Add salt, milk or cheese, and cook on a frying pan. Hard scrambled is when the egg is fully cooked. Soft scrambled has a few and runny portions of the beaten egg. Number 5 is the omelette and the frittata. These are scrambled eggs added with other ingredients like meat, vegetables, or cheese. Omelette is folded in half to cover the toppings. Frittata usually served open-faced. Number 6, poached egg. Cook egg in water with a temperature of 75 degrees centigrade. The egg yolk remains soft while the egg white is solidified. A small amount of vinegar is added to prevent the egg white from scattering. So we are finished with the methods of cooking eggs. Let us move on to the microorganism in eggs is the salmonella, which can cause poisoning. So here are the safety tips to reduce the risk of food poisoning from egg dishes. Number 1, eggs should be cooked at a temperature of at least 72 degrees centigrade. Salmonella can be destroyed when exposed to this temperature. Number 2, store the eggs in the refrigerator. Number 3, dishes with egg as ingredient should be consumed immediately or placed in the refrigerator. Number 4, make sure to test the egg's freshness. So we have 2 methods of testing the freshness of eggs. Letter A is the float test method, in which you will place the eggs in a bowl of cold water. The egg is fresh if it stays at the bottom of the bowl, with its one side laid flat at the bottom. The egg is few weeks old if it stands on one end at the bottom. The egg is not fresh if it floats on the surface of the water. Letter B, plate and sniff test method. It is used for cracked eggs, best applied when the egg is cooked without its shell. It is fresh if the egg yolk has an intact and bulky round shape and a bright yellow color or orange color. The egg white does not spread much when placed on a plate. The egg is older if the egg yolk is quite flat and the egg white is quite runny. The egg is rotten already if it has a bad smell when cracked. So, I hope you do not have questions and you understand the lecture. We are finished with the study of eggs and what it can do to our body and the ways on how to cook them. Please select one recipe from the recipes on your book. Study them and you will have a cooking demonstration to be presented during our Zoom. I will let you know when the schedule will be. For your assignment, answer pages 9 and 10 of your book. Take a photo of your answers and send them to me on my FB Messenger. I will be waiting for your answers tonight until 8 in the evening. Goodbye class for now and good day.